Is your Hyundai Creta's infotainment screen staying on after you turn off the car, draining the battery? This is a common issue, often related to software glitches or settings. First, try a hard reboot. Press and hold the power volume knob for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes black and restarts. This clears temporary memory issues. Next, check your screen timeout settings in the infotainment system's settings menu under General. Then set screen timeout to 30 seconds or less. Also, enable auto sleep mode if available. If the problem persists, it could be due to outdated software. Navigate to System, Software Update in the settings to check for and install any available updates. These steps will solve 80% of these cases, if not seek professional help. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, consider potential interference from third-party apps or aftermarket accessories. Try disabling recently installed apps to see if that resolves the issue. For a more drastic measure, try disconnecting the negative battery terminal for 5 minutes to fully reset the system. But be aware this will reset all settings, but could also solve your problems. Hyundai has released over-the-air updates to address this issue, with newer models post-2026 potentially featuring AI-driven diagnostics for self-correction. Keeping your system updated and minimizing unnecessary app usage will help prevent future problems. If the issue remains unresolved, consult a certified Hyundai technician for a diagnostic scan to avoid voiding your warranty.